If you're lying in bed and can't fall asleep, grab a boring book and read it for a bit to help you wind down and drift off. According to the American Sleep Association, it's best to read outside your bed so that your body does not start to associate your bed with anything other than sleeping. Also, make sure to avoid looking at any electronic devices, since the light from screens can make it harder to fall asleep. You can also try doing a relaxing activity, like yoga, meditation, or taking a warm bath to help you feel more tired. If you're having trouble quieting your mind, write down what's bothering you in a journal and give yourself permission to revisit it later. If you don't want to get out of bed, close your eyes and visualize relaxing scenery, like a sunset or a waterfall, to help you drift off. Or you can try deep breathing until you fall asleep. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 7 seconds, then exhale slowly. If you consistently have trouble sleeping, avoid consuming alcoholic or caffeinated drinks within 6 hours of your bedtime. Finally, remember to go to sleep at the same time every night, as it's easier to fall asleep if you stick to a consistent sleep schedule.